We're making a science experiment with pepper for germs. What is the pepper, Brooks?
The germs.
All right, go ahead and pour it into the
bowl.
The water. Okay, that's enough.
I'm just getting some on the side.
Oh, good job. All right, now stick your...
And there's some pepper right there.
It's okay. Stick your finger in it. Now, what's on your finger?
Germs.
All right, now use your other finger and dip it in the dish soap and stick it in and see what happens. Oh, what happened? What'd the germs do?
It flew away.
Why?
Because my hand was washed.
That's right. So what happens if you wash your hands? It keeps the what away?
The germ.
That's right. Go ahead, Gracie. Stick your finger in there.
I have more.
The soap. No, put it in the germs.
I have more germs on me.
More germs? Oh, look. Very cool.